In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT in the Scottish Gaelic language. Now, whether you want to translate the front page of ChatGPT or whether you want to have a full-on conversation with ChatGPT in the Scottish Gaelic language, in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know in order to make that happen. Now, as you can see on the left-hand side here, there isn't actually a settings button, which means that ChatGPT is currently only officially available in the English language. With that said, I did find a way around that. Now, I am using Google Chrome on Windows PC, as you can see. So if you're using a mobile phone, a different operating system, or browser, the process might be a little bit different for you. So with that said, at the very least, please make sure to use Google Chrome because I'm not sure whether the feature I'm about to show you is available on any other browser. So once you're on ChatGPT on Google Chrome, right click anywhere on the screen, then click on Translate To. So in my case, it's English, so towards Scottish Gaelic, click on the three dots, then click on Choosing a Language, and then click on the little arrow here. And from this massive list of languages, scroll down until you find Scottish Gaelic, which is right there. Then click on Translate, and as you can see, within just a few seconds, ChatGPT is already translated in the Scottish Gaelic language. So now when it comes to having a conversation with ChatGPT, you don't actually need to do anything. All you have to do is simply talk to ChatGPT in that language, and it's going to revert back to you in the same language that you're using. So in this case, I'm going to head to copy the phrase from Google Translate, and we're going to ask ChatGPT, how are you, and see what it comes back with. Now, if it gives you an error, which is probably going to happen, simply refresh the page and give it another go. Sometimes ChatGPT can take a little while to come back to you with a response, and if that happens, refresh the page and give it another try. And within seconds, ChatGPT, as you can see, should come back to you with a response in Scottish Gaelic language.